This is the bat garland. To start out, you'll take the string and you'll make a loop and tie a knot. So that way you can hang up your garland on a hook if you'd like. Then you'll go to the other end of the string and thread your needle. Once you have your needle threaded, then you'll take the wooden beads and start stringing them on. You'll do 6 beads at a time. Once you have those on, then you'll add on a bat. Start by threading it through the front to the back, so that way the string is behind the bat. Then you'll push down all the beads and the bat to the end, and you'll just keep repeating that pattern. So it'll go 6 beads and then a bat, 6 beads and then a bat, until you've used up all of your supplies. Once you have it all threaded, then you'll take off your needle and you'll make another loop on that other end of the string and tie a knot. And you're all set and ready to hang your garland.